Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and initiating the first actionable steps. You must confirm your domain resolves to the target server. Once DNS points correctly, log in via SSH or the control panel. Next, choose the certificate type, single name, SAN, or wildcard, because that influences validation. Generate a private key, then create a certificate signing request, CSR, with exact domain names. Make sure your CSR fields match who is and hosting records. This prevents validation failures later. Once done with the CSR, you request the certificate from your chosen certificate authority or run an Acme client like Certbot for automatic issuance. You will complete domain validation. HTTP 01 is fastest for web servers, DNS 01 is required for wildcard, and TLS Alpin 01 works for constrained environments. Make sure validation records propagate. If using DNS, wait for TTL. After validation, download or let the client place the certificate and chain files on the server. Then verify file name. Now you install and configure the certificate so TLS terminates correctly. You place the certificate, chain, and private key in secure paths, then edit your web server or load balancer config to reference those files and enable strong ciphers and TLS versions. Reload or restart the service, and verify with an SSL tool and your browser. If errors occur, check file permissions, correct chain order, and confirm port 443 is open. Renewing via Acme solves expiry problems. Always automate renewal to avoid outages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.